Today we're going to talk about yellow flame on your burner and what that is. So if you look here at this burner, it's very yellow. It has no blue color to it. This is going to leave a lot of soot on your pots or pans or whatever you're cooking, and it also isn't going to burn as hot and efficiently as it could be. Yellow flame is caused by an improper oxygen to propane ratio in your burner, and our products allow us to adjust that to get the proper burn. So on this unit here, we have this air vent that we can adjust by rotating until our flame changes color to a nice blue with some yellow on the tips. That's all right. This is the type of flame that we're looking for. We want the blue down at the base and some light yellow on the tips. Depending on the product you have, your air vent or damper might look a little different. On this one, you're gonna loosen this screw and rotate to change the airflow. Depending on the product you have, your air vent may be accessible from the front, or it may be behind a faceplate, which you can simply reach underneath to adjust. After watching this video, if you're still having any problems with a yellow flame or other issues with your burner, contact customer support.